Well, here we are, guys. We're going to check out that walleye and crappie bite at Kirwin Reservoir. I was put on these fish by Leighton. He's out of Ellsworth. I met him at Canopolis, him and his grandfather. Great folks. Oh my gosh, we talked about fishing for a while. But he actually came up here ahead of me, him and his family, and messaged me, did really well. I had thought about coming up here, and after talking with him, I knew that I had to make it happen. So I'm going to be using the same program as I've been using all year. I'm going to troll real slow with the electric trolling motor up front, about 1 and 1.5 miles an hour. I'm going to find some shallower water between that 8 and 11 to 12 feet, and put a crankbait out each side. When I pick up a fish, I'm going to cast on them with a swim bait. If I can pick one up there, if I can get them dialed in and really pinpointed, I'm going to drop on them and vertical jig those things. So a really good thing about Kirwin is the length limits up here is only 15 inches. Let's get out there and see how we do. That's a 15. Well, there's another little guy. Little dude. Good healthy one though. Oh, there you go, guys. Another little walleye. These little guys are just biting pretty solid. Might have to move off of this spot and see if I can't find something with a little more size to it, huh? A little more meat, Back in you go, buddy. Oh, what's that? Is that a crappie or a walleye, or what is it?
I think it's a white bass.
Oh, there you go, good. Have you been catching quite a few?
No, that's the first one we got.
There you go, guys. Oh, that's a big crappie right there. Look at that. That's a good one. That's a 14 right there. Here we go, guys. Here's a shot of my map of Kirwin. It's a pretty small lake up here, but it's got a lot of structure, a lot of drop-offs. There's that island. I just picked up 3 off of that island. I'm going to go over here to this little point-looking thing and go down that. And then over there on the far right, I'm going to hit that point as well. Just kind of a look at the boats, guys. Quite a few out here today. Fish are biting. It's been just pretty steady. Oh, that's a dandy. Look at him. That's beautiful. Well, look at that thing, guys. Killer on that one. That's a dandy. That's going to be another right in the 14. Here's a shot of the south boat ramp, guys. And this is during the week. So you can tell this lake gets a lot of use. And good people. I'll tell you what, the folks I met at I unloaded on the north boat ramp, and the folks up there were fantastic. Everybody on the water that I've met has been great. Very, very friendly place. Gosh, what a fantastic day out here on Kirwin. One really nice thing about Kirwin is the length limit here is 15 for walleye. So if you're looking for keeper fish, you know, I had my first keeper in the boat in about 15 minutes after I was on the water, and I was out on that island. That island was really good to me today. I caught most of my walleye out there. I went over past that crappie point, picked up a couple there, and then a couple off of a sand point. And everything was right in that 8 to 11 feet is where all the walleye came for me. If you enjoyed the video, smash that like button and don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already. More content coming real soon. See ya.